What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm sharing some background about ads, and maybe this is a good solution for some of you that are nervous about turning on ads. I had an ads coach for Facebook ads, and she spent $144,000 to make $1 million in her business over the course of 18 months. And she used a Chase Sapphire bank card that gave her gift cards as cash back for her ad spend. And she got gift cards towards Home Depot, and then she renovated her kitchen with a bunch of gift cards from Home Depot. And I've always loved that story to those credit card points that you get. And so I decided, like, why don't we see this with Amazon KDP? Let's dive into like what we can do. So I looked up the offer for Amazon to see about getting points, and I just decided I'll test it out for everybody else, and I dove in and I applied for the Amazon Prime Visa, and this is a collaboration that Amazon has with Chase Bank, which is Visa. So you can earn 5% back on all your purchases, and you see the little asterisk by purchases. That means that it is up to a certain amount. The amount for you to get 5% cash back is $2,500. And for me, I have not spent that amount in 1 month for Amazon ads. January 2023, the most I spent was $2,400. So I thought, well, I'll just give this a try. And you do have to be a Prime customer to be able to earn the 5% cash back. They want some type of, Amazon loyalty, as if you don't already have loyalty by spending all of your time uploading books. That's loyalty. So I went through this to give you an overview, and I'm at the beginning stages, but like you guys know, I document my journey. I don't like to wait that much to share things with you because it helps me to. I think there's a lot of reasons why we document the journey. I want you to know where I'm at. I need to know where I'm at. And I've always kind of regretted like getting to the top of the mountain and being like, look what I did. Like I want to know how the weather was on the way up, right? So I applied for the Prime Visa and it was approved. And then I didn't really think about this when I was applying, but if you are approved, you do get $150 Amazon gift card. It's automatically added to your Amazon associate or Amazon's account, your gift card balance. And I don't believe you can pay for your ads with a gift card. I think I've tried it in the past, and they need a billing address for Amazon ads. But still, I thought this was really cool. You could go and use $150 to buy your books, and have a collection of your books. Now, there is some not controversy, but should you buy your own books on the main page versus author copies? So I will tell you from experience that author copies take longer to get to your house, and sometimes they're not treated as beautifully as a customer side. If you buy a book through Amazon.com through your Prime account, it does help your rankings. So sometimes I do that to give my book a boost. But for those of you that aren't doing any organic outreach with your accounts and you're not able to use your $150 anywhere but on Amazon, this could be a really cool opportunity for you to be able to buy $150 worth of your books and then reach out to influencers or give them to family and friends for Christmas presents. So I thought this was cool. I haven't used it yet. We're actually going on a really big road trip soon, and I might need to update my kids' tablets that we bought like 8 years ago. It's a really long drive, so we might need updated technology. So I might be using it for that. But I thought, how cool to have $150, or I should just use it on my books and buy them, right? So now we know it's you have to read the terms and conditions to make sure this applies to you. But it is you don't get 5% off for like if you use your Amazon card for gambling or lottery tickets, or you can see here that there are certain things that it will exclude. So I'm definitely looking into this for the ads to see if it will be the 5%, because that would be cool to get that back on ads, right? I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm just sharing this information because I'm documenting my journey, okay? So anytime that you use a card for your business, you need to be aware of the annual rate if you don't pay it off. And this, with this particular card, it doesn't charge you on interest if you pay the entire thing off. So for ads, I've always paid the entire thing off. I went through and read the understand your benefits, and there is so many here for like travel. I just couldn't believe all the travel, like baggage loss. Now, if you lose your luggage and you had artificial teeth in your bag, they will not, they can't reimburse you for that. And also cameras. I was actually really surprised to see there was no protection for cameras, but that's not why I got this card. I just went down the rabbit hole to read the benefits. And I'm sharing that with you because you never know, having a little bit of leeway to have ads and things like that. So a lot of times people don't turn on ads because they feel like they don't have the cash. And I think that's a great reason not to turn on ads. And I have a video coming